that person doesn't need a tree, but you are alive. Think about it. Means that for a healthy body and healthy soul, saving a planting trees in good idea. Trees provide charm and no harm. Thank you and have a marvelous day.
Plants keep the climate cool. They also prevent soil erosion. Soil erosion. But nowadays, some selfish people cut down the trees for fuel and other use. They also disturb the wildlife. Now let's listen to the inner voice of the trees and their parts are requesting us. Hello friends, I am a tree. I am very much useful to you. I provide you all food, medicine, shade, etc. The most important thing you get from me is fresh air. So please don't cut me. I want to live and make you all healthy and happy. Thank you and have a marvelous day.
Hi friends, I am fruits and vegetables. I come from tree. I am used as healthy diet. So please don't cut out trees. If there is no trees, then no fruits and vegetables. Thank you.
Hey friends, I am useful medicines such as neem, tulsi, aloe vera, etc. We are obtained from trees. We are very much useful to you for many purposes. So please stop harming the trees.
Hello friends, are you happy to see me? I am a beautiful flower. You make my use to offer for God. To decorate functions, etc. I bring big smile on your faces. So please don't that away my fragrance. Please save tree so I can make beautiful environment. Thank you and have a nice day.
Yes, trees also are living things, but they can't speak. So does that mean we must cut them? Trees are gifted to us by God. So we say